Jolly Mugisha atari umushuganza wa National Unity Platform Narjet NUP omurengerizoba akafa arukubanza arukugumwirwaro lyamba Regional Referral Hospital kumushobora All Saints Church aho muri Murambarara kwabaho erizoba kwatandika sha munana zihangwe kandi kwagwaho abanyabutegetsi kurwo muri Mbara na heru yaho
That is Dr. Philippa Armstrong.
Omugenzi Jolly Mugisha yagambwaho ko mukazi abire na kandi sabahagize ba NUP omurengerizoba no kwetorori hango kutwariza hamwe arukunda byentunguka kandi aine rukundo yabona
Jolly found life and meaning omurnupu ebyenimjerozo ekaba yamuze mutuma obabiyanisha kurara cyakiri cyanu kwaho
She was very hardworking. She was a mother to us, she was a friend. Akabana abadugwire abiri n'abadugwire, she was a stickler to time. Ebyo bigamba nomanya niyo Christ said to them when this ebitwamurende mutukakunda mukande tumwegaho. She was full of humor. Abiri nakunda abakyala n'abana bato nambweno hajiro ndwara n'okufa abiri nyo nagezaho kutunga women candidates omuli Western Uganda yona
omulende ekitani kwadwo namwazi omuzafidi omwashanga matembe nawe n'abadda bonobara n'abali mupende yemiteko okubanaho yakabitwa ino nakekyo kabasi
yasiga abana batano abijukura umushanjo n'abana abatuye narebera mukaga kumushobora omurebezi wa Nkole Diocese Right Reverend Associate Professor Dr. Fred Shalom Mwesigwa yasima imirimo ekozwe omugenzi Jolly by'obutegetsi by'omwoyo entunguka y'ihanga n'ibindi omurebezi yashaba abanyabutegetsi okundana obutosha n'okusima ebikozwe
aba UPC wakaonekana washuhuda alikuwa na chana hata kutenda kwa kama wajibu ukinachi na leo kwa kuzoea na ile alikuwa bora tena vitu si wote zileka duyaji UPC hata UPC ni jonga kaza kusoka
Jolly Mugisha n'okuzikwa arwa katano omure mitoma abwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon.